upbeat music plays. Welcome back to the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with two contenders that promise to mop the floor with your dirt and grime. In the left corner, we have the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop. Priced at just $89, it claims to turn ordinary water into a cleaning superhero faster than you can say, "Where did that stain come from?" And in the right corner, we have the Bissell Steam Mop, which is a bit pricier at $102, but promises to not only clean your floors, but also help save pets. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite topic, the price. Shark is coming in hot at $89, while Bissell is like, "Hold my paw, I'm $102. So if you're looking to save a few bucks for that extra pizza on Friday night, Shark may just be your guy. But hey, Bissell is supporting homeless pets, so if you want to feel like a hero while cleaning, it might be worth the extra dough. Who knew mops could come with a side of guilt? Now let's talk steam. The Shark promises superheated steam ready in just 30 seconds. That's faster than my coffee maker on a Monday morning. Meanwhile, Bissell also heats up in 30 seconds, but gives you the choice of high or low steam settings. It's like having a steam buffet. Do I want the high steam for those tough stains or low steam for my delicate feelings? Decisions. Both mops are designed to sanitize your hard floors, but the Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria. That's a lot of zeros. Meanwhile, the Shark uses the power of steam and no chemicals, so it's like a spa day for your floors, minus the cucumber slices. But let's be real. Who needs a spa day when you can steam away the grime like a pro? In the design corner, Shark has a soft grip handle and is easy to maneuver, which is great for those of us who have the upper body strength of a wet noodle. Meanwhile, Bissell has a power cord that's 25 feet long. That's longer than my last relationship, so if you have a mansion, you'll be covered. But if you live in a studio apartment, you might just trip over it and end up in the next room. Shark includes two washable microfiber pads, while Bissell has an onboard spot boost brush for those tough, sticky messes. So if you're a messy eater like me, Bissell might just be your best friend. But if you're more of a "I'll just steam my problems away" kind of person, Shark's got you covered. Overall, both products have garnered positive feedback from users. The Shark S3501 is praised for its lightweight design and effective cleaning capability, especially on various floor types. However, some users noted its struggle with grout and the absence of an on-off switch. In contrast, Bissell Steam Mop receives accolades for its powerful steam settings and ease of use, especially for pet owners, although it may require additional maintenance for long-term use. So which mop is the champion of cleanliness? The Shark S3501 is cheaper and gets the job done with superheated steam, while the Bissell Steam Mop is a bit pricier but helps save pets and has a longer cord. Whichever you choose, just remember, a clean floor is a happy floor. And a happy floor means fewer excuses for not inviting your friends over. So who's it gonna be? The Shark or the Bissell? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product comparisons that keep your wallet happy. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.